Have you ever felt like time is running out? Like if you haven't made it by 30, you are already too late. That's a lie. Some of the world's biggest success happened after 40, and the science behind it will shock you. In your 20s and 30s, life is chaos. You are proving yourself, chasing validation, fighting distractions. You are running in every direction but not moving forward. Your brain's decision-making center isn't fully mature until you are mid-30s. By 40, you finally have the perfect mix of logic and creativity. That's why decisions become sharper, smarter, and more powerful. By 40, you have failed, but failure at 20 breaks you. Failure at 40 builds you. Every rejection becomes training for your comeback. At 20, you trust everyone. At 40, you can read people. You know who to trust and who to stay away from. That wisdom saves business from collapsing. By 40, you are a bridge. You connect with the energy of the young and the wisdom of the old. That's a leadership superpower. You also have something the young don't: financial stability and networks. Years of working, building savings and contacts. And in business, network is currency. By 40, you finally know what you don't want. That clarity is gold. You stop chasing everything and focus on what truly matters. Younger entrepreneurs burn out fast. At 40, you are calmer. You make choices without panic. That emotional stability creates strong leaders. Ray Kroc started McDonald's at 52, Colonel Sanders at 65, Vera Wang at 40, Narayana Murthy at 44, Reid Hoffman launched LinkedIn after 40. Proof that it's never too late. If you are 35, 40, 50, even 60, and you think you are too late, you are wrong. You are exactly where you are supposed to be. Success loves wisdom, and wisdom comes with time. If this gave you hope, like, share, and subscribe. Youth is energy, middle age is power, and wisdom builds empires.